Hey, what is up guys, VMTHD here. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the AT&T Jive headphones. Okay. The most important thing that people care about when they buy a new pair of headphones is the sound quality. We expect the quality to be really good, after all it is coming from such a big and reputed company. When I tested it out and used it, I was really happy and impressed with it, especially the bass. The headphones are partially noise cancelling, and when the volume is turned up all the way up, then you are completely isolated from the world. The second most important thing is comfort. The headphones are small compared to other headphones. It is difficult for long hours of listening, unless the headphones are sitting perfectly over your ears. As of testing till now, the mic quality is amazing and is of good quality. There has been no complaints from any people. One of the main highlight of the headphone is that you can remove the audio cable and fold the headphone. Overall the headphone is good. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.